This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marnie Pacheco. This is an exceptional opportunity to acquire a fully furnished home with a complete renovation. The vibrant space has been artistically designed with attention to every detail and no expense spared. High-end finishes from granite and natural stone work in both the kitchen and bathroom, LVP flooring, stylish energy-efficient appliances and 2023 complete impact windows/doors including the enclosed balcony. Fresh paint in soft beige tones and recessed lighting throughout make this an unparalleled option. 2022 Rheem WH HVAC with superior air quality UV light, including insulation and duct work. All electrical face plates have been updated. The Village of 800 Place is pet-friendly, offers a clubhouse, tennis and pool, with shower and sauna. All located just minutes to the beaches, charming downtown Stuart, Jensen Beach as well as every modern convenience. Go out and enjoy the Florida life, all the work has been done. Furnishings can be removed at the buyer's request. For more information, review the details below.